Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost, the freelancer. For today's recording, I am going to jump straight to the qualification mode for a new hit I saw earlier. It is channel and nav intent query labeling for video English. This one should be easy. We are to look at the query if it is channel intent, channel with specific videos, navigation intent, navigation with specific videos, mix intent about and from, none of the above. We do have a guideline here. This one should be an easy head app. So let's go ahead and work on it. You also have a guideline. You can go through the guidelines while taking the qualifications along with watching the video. Okay, so moving on. What we have here is the Guardian Football. So for this one, it's not a channel intent. Um, Hold on here. Aquarium may have both nav and channel intent, specifically or especially news site and sites with prominent active YouTube channels. For such queries, do ensure to select both channel intent, navigation intent options. Example given the Guardian night times. Okay, how to decide. Do a search for the query on YouTube, Google, or Bing in your local channel. Check the results. See whether the channel pane is triggered or it if may or if many results are from the same channel. Navigation is check the results, see whether many results are from the same website. For this one, it's the Guardian Football. You could do YouTube again. So the Guardian Football would have both a channel and content. So for this one, it's specific. For this one, it'll be navigation and channel intent. Navigation and channel intent will be, where is it, Dale? Navigation intent mixed, and the query word, you can copy this one. Let's see how this one goes. False, it's only channel with specific videos. Okay, again, we got one wrong answer here. So qualification would require you to finish at least 9 hits. I'm not sure if we are going to make it, but let's try again. Castro 1021 Messi. This is only channel with no, it's only, hold on. Let's try YouTube. Castro 10. It's only channel intent. Oh, wait. It's both channel, well, it's channel intent with specific videos. Hold on here. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. The next one is foxnews.com Trump. This is just, hold on, one moment. Let's go to YouTube here. There are different tabs here you can search from, but I usually go to YouTube. So it's fox.com. They don't have a channel. So I would guess this is just going to be, uh, hold on here. Google Chrome, none of the above, additional queries. How to decide? Do a channel, check the results. I know Fox News would have a YouTube channel, The Tonight Show. Uh, this is again going to be for me a channel with specific video, and copy this one. Hold on, navigation intent. Use this label when the query is for videos from a specific website, which is major source video. Navigation intent here. Let's see how it goes. Uh, Fox News would have their own videos, right? The judgment is not correct. Uh, we answered. I'm not sure what happened here. Okay, let's agree to it. Moving on to the next is tried and refused productions. Uh, Irfan Khan. Let's pull this up here. This is just this is going to be a channel with specific videos. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. Washington Post com videos. Let's look at pull up YouTube here. Washington Post. This is going to be channel intent only. Uh, the judge is only navigational intent. Okay, two mistakes. Jack Skeptic Eye Minecraft. Let's go and pull up YouTube here. So it's channel with specific videos for me. Now, this is not easy to work on. usatoday.com would be navigational intent only. Yep. Instagram.com, that's navigational intent as well. One more hit. Coco Melon, Nursery Rhymes. Let's see. It's both uh, channel intent as well as video intent. So let's go back to the hit. It'll be channel with specific videos. I hope we pass this one. Let's see how it goes here. You have failed the qualification test this time. Let's give it another shot. Qualify. Got to Fortnite. This is, I think, just a hold on. A channel with specific videos. But you have to copy this. Yep. Now, say and J. Let's pull up this on YouTube. Or let's pull it up on YouTube. It's just a channel intent. I think we are going to pass the second round. I hope so. Daily motion. Daily motion, that will just be a navigational intent. CJ so cool. Let's see that. And YouTube, that's just a channel intent. Next one is how to cross level 2 and Prince of Persia. This is just going to be uh, channel. No, not really a channel. Um, this is quite confusing. I'm sorry, my dog is barking. I do apologize for the quick interruption. But anyways, let's try this one. How to cross Prince of Persia. Channel intent. Channel with specific. Use this label when the query is for specific video or specific type of videos from a specific channel. Pr- uh, Party wipe. Nav intent. Major platforms. Nav intent with specific. Use this label if the query is for a video request specified content from specific website. Not this one. Use this label when the query requires two type of results about the entity from the entity examples below. Google Chrome, no, none of the above. Use this when the query does not fit any of the descriptions above. Use this when there's ambiguity. Um, I cannot move on with this one. How to cross level to Prince of Persia. I would just say this is it's either I don't know. It's none of the above for me. Yep, we got it right. Mr. Beast, it's just a channel intent. I have to copy this, by the way. I think we are going to pass the second qualification. PDPI. I don't know how to pronounce that one, but this is just a channel intent. So copy this one, paste it here. Moving on to the next is Pink Fong Kids Song and Stories. This is a combination. This is going to be a channel with specific videos. I hope this is right. Uh, okay, it should be channel with Yo, we got it right. Channel with specific video. Oh, none of the above. Okay, let's move on. NY Times, that's just navigation intent. Okay, we passed the qualification. Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. You can join us in Facebook. Our group name is Click Worker Philippines and the Ghostly Hitters. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit those notifications bell for more video qualifications and tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.